This is the podcast overview for week 12. We will be covering chapter 12, Managing Pain. So last week we looked at pain perception, we looked at how to measure pain and the experience of pain, and now this week we're turning to various pain management techniques. So first off, you have your objectives, which are here, and you can click on here to kind of get the rundown of each one of these objectives and what you need to know. In terms of the reading, you're reading chapter 12, and then you're also reading Longevity Project, chapter 12 as well, Confidants, Networks, and the Power of Social Life. So we'll be taking a look at social support, really, with the Longevity Project. Here are your lecture slides that go along with chapter 12, Pain Management. And I've actually included a couple videos this week. A couple of them are very short. This one deals with managing chronic pain without drugs, so some different alternative strategies and techniques, which is really kind of nice because we covered this a few weeks ago when we looked at alternative and complementary medicine. And so it's nice to see it here as a way to manage pain. So specifically, the video mentions biofeedback and how that's used, as well as yoga and a couple other strategies. This one deals with acupuncture specifically as an alternative treatment for chronic pain. And then this video here is one that I've been using for a long time. It's a longer video. I believe it's 40 minutes. But it comes from the work of Dr. Jon Kabat-Zinn, who runs a pain management clinic right outside of Boston. And for decades now, he's been using the principles of Buddhist meditation to bring pain relief and well-being to all sorts of different chronic pain sufferers. So in the video, you're going to see how he uses these techniques, how he teaches his patients to meditate, what their reactions are to it, what they think at first, and what they think when they've finished the program. And you'll see how it treats a variety of different chronic pain illnesses. So take a look at that, and I posted a video question worksheet that goes along with it, and this is just for you to use to help you follow along and get key points from the video, so you don't have to turn that in. Your discussion for this week deals with the longevity reading, and again, it's really about social support and social relationships. So you're going to be, again, taking the assessment to look at how you scored in terms of your social relationships and social connections. And then you're going to be answering these different questions. What is social support, and how do researchers assess it via the Longevity Project? What aspects of social support and social networks in particular matter most when it comes to longevity? And so here again, I want you to use lots of examples from the termites to support your statements there. And then what misconceptions exist about social life in its relationship to life expectancy? So again, there's a few myths to debunk here about social connections and just what they do in terms of helping you health-wise with your over your lifespan. So that wraps up the week. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please email me. Thank you, everyone.